Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am showing you how to make a cute little shoe. I am using 2.5 mm needle and a thread. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 additional 1 2 3. Now make in the fourth one 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in all stitches except last one. 1 double crochet in all stitches. Now I reach to my last chain. In this chain I will make 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I will make double crochet in a row, and when I reach to my last chain I will tell you then what to do. So now this is my last chain. I will make 3 double crochet in last chain. 1 2 and 3, and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now chain 1 and make in the same stitch single crochet for 2 times, and next chain 2 single crochet, then 1 2 3 single crochet, and 1 2 half double crochet, and 1 2 3 double crochet. Now make 2 2 double crochet in 5 stitches, then we will have 10. Now make double crochet in 3 and half double crochet 2 times, and 3 double single crochet, and 3 in 2 2 single crochet in 3 stitches, last 3 stitches, 2 single crochet, and make a slip stitch in the first chain. This is my second row. Now chain 3 and make in the same stitch double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet. And make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In 10 stitches make double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in 10 stitches. 2 2 double crochet each stitch or in 10 stitches. Now after making 20 stitches, now make double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in all stitches except last 4. Now I have 3 stitches in which I will do 2 double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the third chain. Oh, I skipped one. One double crochet. Now my sole is ready. This is my shoe sole, so I will tell you how to make slip stitch all over shoe border. Bismillah. I am using 1.50 needle. Now I am making slip stitch all over till to the end of my start. Do it like this. All over till to the end. Now I did my slip stitch all over of the shoe sole. Now this is the middle, this is the line, and I put the stitch marker in the middle. So I count 10 from this side and 10 from this side. So I will start my back part of the shoe sole. Chain 2, 1, 2, and make half double crochet into the into the slip stitch. See, do all half double crochet into the slip stitch till to the next stitch marker over here. Now I reach to my last stitch. Remove stitch marker and make half double crochet into the slip stitch. Now chain 1, turn your work, and again make double crochet into the stitches till to the end of other side. To this side. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Again in the next chain make double crochet and make half double crochet for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 5 rows make half double crochet as I am doing. Now I did my 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of half double crochet. Now I'll make a strap for the shoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now let me see, is it okay? 20, yes, 20, 21 and 22. Now skip 1, 2, 3 in fourth, make half double crochet. This is my buttonhole, and make half double crochet till to the end of the line, like this. Now this is my strap. Now I will make slip stitch in the first half double crochet like this, and cut a yarn and make it tight over here. Now cut the extra yarn. See, this is the back part of my shoe. Now I will start my front part from here. So this is the right side of the baby shoe. So I will start from the left, little bit left from the front line of the shoe sole. Here I will do my first slip stitch here. So make chain 1. Now half double crochet into the same stitch. See, now chain 1, turn and make 2 half double crochet into this stitch. Now chain 1, turn and make 2 half double crochet in it, and here 2. In the next stitch make 2 more. Now chain 1 again and make 1 time 2 half double crochet and 1, 2, and this is my third. Now this is my start of the front part. Now again chain 1, make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, and 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. Now this is enough. One more increase, 2 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is my 7. So 7 is much enough for the front side. So make it as long to reach the strap to the strap of the shoe. We will fold it when I finished my work. Okay. Now no more increases or decreases here, so make it as long as you want to the desired size, or still small. Now this size is more than enough, because I will fold it from the strap. See, like this. I will stitch here, and then you put a button over here. It will be like this. So stitch over here first. Now my shoe is ready. I stitch it over here from this side and put your button here. So this is my cute little shoe. If you want to put flowers or anything like bow, flowers or beads, anything, you can put it over here. So I hope you will like it, and see you in another video with new pattern, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.